the students have been filming and capturing moments of all the clubs during practice hours and have created a captivating video. Let's watch the happy moments. A big round of applause for the team and special thanks to Pranav sir, Karuna ma'am and Babita ma'am for taking us all through the special moments of the clubs.
It's 29th April 2025 Tuesday and the Edu Carnival is finally here. The only time when students run faster to their clubs than to sports.
It's a multiverse of learning where students mix practical knowledge with a whole lot of fun. Think of it as Hogwarts meets TED Talks.
Alright, time to spill the tea on everything Edu Carnival. I'm Ranusha Goswami
And I'm Dhriti Jain and you're watching AGS News, where we will bring you the stories from the halls,
classrooms,
and clubs. Everything that makes the Edu Carnival unique.
Let's take a quick peek from the eyes of the Visual Graffiti Club.
No better way to begin than by remembering Suchi ma'am, a beautiful and strong soul who carried so much love and light in her heart and led with kindness.
The acts of the Literary Odyssey and the Hindi Club this year are dedicated to our dearest Suchi ma'am, amongst other role models that the world has known.
Now let me introduce you to our enthusiastic reporters, Gaurav Bodani and Darsh Agrawal, who will connect us with the exuberant mentors and students of the club.
सुप्रभात मीनाक्षी मैम।
सुप्रभात बेटा।
कैसे हैं आप आज?
मैं ठीक हूँ।
मैं आपसे आज कुछ सवाल करने वाला हूँ।
हाँ बोलिए गौरव।
तो मेरा प्रश्न है, आपको आपके प्रस्तुतिकरण की प्रेरणा कहाँ से मिली?
डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम से प्रभावशाली नेतृत्वशील व्यक्तित्व और किसी का नहीं हो सकता है, तो यही मैंने लिंक किया है हिंदी क्लब के साथ। और साथ ही हमारे आदरणीय शुचि मैम को नमन के रूप में हमने पिरामिड का बच्चों को पिरामिड के साथ जोड़ा है इस क्लब को।
Now we are going to ask a question to two of the mentors of the Literary Odyssey Club. So first, Mittu ma'am, what values are you inculcating in your club?
So in a club, as we have a group of members, 30 odd members we are learning leadership skills. They are gaining confidence, getting exposure to real life situations. Ma'am?
I agree with you with so many members, but still we are really having them to solve problems that come in their lives. Then their team building and leadership qualities are getting enhanced within each one of them, and the stage fear is also gone.
Well, that was very insightful. Let's move on to the next exceptional clubs, the Pythagoras and Archimedes clubs. But wait, what are these clubs all about?
These clubs involve many exciting projects that will make even your calculator feel underqualified. These include Maths Magic and an AI chatbot named Hermione, which will be our school's very own ChatGPT. Let me hand over the mic to Priya Gangwani and Jeeva Dikshit to find out more about these clubs.
Hello guys, I am Priyal Gangwani from the VGC Club and today we are going to interview few students from the Science Club. So let's go. Hello RFC.
Hello.
Can I ask you a few questions about your project?
Of course.
Okay, so describe your project in one word.
I would say it's life-saving as it helps us to communicate with other people during natural calamities.
Okay, one more question. What was the hardest and the easiest part of your project?
The hardest part was to paint the road and it was also the easiest as we did not do it.
Then who did it for you?
The interviewer.
Okay, thank you. Now we are here with the Science Club mentor Krupali ma'am. Hello Krupali ma'am.
Hi Priya, how are you?
Fine. Can I ask you questions about your club ma'am?
Sure, I'll be happy to answer them.
Okay. What emotions did you feel while mentoring the club?
Oh my God, that's a tough question because it was a roller coaster ride actually. There were so many mixed emotions, like we were so excited. Sometimes it was like we were in a panicking situation. Sometimes we were stressed out, and overall it was really very good.
Thank you ma'am.
Hello Ram sir, I am from the VGC Club and I am here to take your interview about the Maths Club. So the first question is, what were the challenges you faced?
The first challenge for the mathematics club was mathematical complex problems, but we divided this problem into a different games. So we are making few games for the kids, and that will be on the syllable model.
Answer the last question. What was the most funniest part of your project?
Tackling the kids. That was the funniest part, but still, it was an enjoyable moment for us.
That's nice, sir. Thank you, sir.
It's now time for a short break. Let's see what our sponsors have to say with a twist. In India, 68% of children aged 9 to 14 consume sugary beverages weekly, over half indulging daily. There are 14.4 million obese children in India, the second highest number in the world.
Cold and sugary, but at what cost? What starts as a treat becomes a habit. Children who consume one or more sugary cold drinks daily have a 26% greater risk of developing type 2 diabetes.
This short film, written, directed and acted by VGC members, shows the harsh truth behind the cold drinks addiction that kids have. The truth behind the bubbles.
If you ask me about Black Bull, I'll tell you that it hits different. That cold, dark can, the pop of the tab, pure adrenaline. The sharp, sweet sting of energy, it feels like a shortcut to greatness. I'll drink it at 2 a.m. before a nap, after a nap, or just because the can looked at me funny. Who needs sleep or water when you've got wings in a can? But if you ask me deeper, it's soul level deep, I tell you this. Every time I drink a Black Bull, something cracks open. A memory. I'm 6. My mom made halwa. Still warm, buttery and way too sweet. I'm running barefoot in the field. I was flying back then. No caffeine, no wings. Just pure joy. Now, I drink Black Bull and my heart races. But my legs just don't. The wings that it promised? Nowhere. Just a jittery buzz and a ghost of something that I lost.
We've already been introduced to so many clubs so far, and each add their own spark to the event. But now let's hear it from the two of the most influential people of AGS.
Let us welcome the pillars of our institution, the ever-inspiring and knowledgeable, our principal Nivedita ma'am and our visionary managing trustee Lisa ma'am.
Good morning. Today I am Dhanuksha going to taking the interview of our principal ma'am, Nivedita ma'am. Good morning ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, today I want to ask you about which club are you most excited for the Edivani?
That's a very difficult question, or even very easy question, because I'm excited about all the clubs because it involves the talent and skills our students would be putting forth in those clubs.
Thank you ma'am for today's interview. This is Dharmik Shah signing off.
I am Dhairya Vakasya and today we are here with our Honorable Managing Trustee Lisa ma'am. So ma'am, we all are excited to know your feelings about the Eddie Carnival.
Oh, I'm very excited to see students' performance presentations and they are working hard, so it's really worth watching them.
So ma'am, can you tell us how the Eddie Carnival started back in the time?
Edu Carnival started before 8-10 years, and that time we started with 4 clubs. And now we have evolved it to 12 to 14 clubs, and every year we are adding more and more clubs, looking at the need of students.
Thank you ma'am. Signing off, reporter Dhairya Vakasya.
Thank you.
Now shifting gears, we have the artistic and vibrant all-time favorites, dance, art and music.
Let me introduce you to our dedicated reporters, Sia Khattar and Giara Jain, who will take us through a world of musical beats, surtal and fusion, while Jia Vadwana will take us through the projects of the art club, which will be donated to our Josh program.
Today I'm going to be interviewing you guys. So I have a question for Shadvi first. What was the most creative idea you got?
One of the most creative idea I got was to make a macram thread wall hanging. I basically wanted to blend traditional knotting techniques with modern aesthetic. I used cotton thread with wooden beads and a rod.
Okay, that's great. Now I have a question for Pavitra. What was the most difficult part of your artwork and what was the most easiest one?
The most difficult part of my artwork was to add the details, and the easiest one for me was to get up with the ideas.
Okay, that's great.
Reporting live from the VGC Club. I'm Sia Khattar and today we have the students of the dance club. Would you mind introducing yourself?
Hello everybody, I am Purvansh Chandak and I am in grade 8 and I am in dance club.
Hello, I'm Sachi Thakkar from grade 7 and I'm in dance club. Okay, nice meeting you all. So I think you guys are aware I'm going to take a small interview of you guys. So the first question we have is, what is your favorite memory from your club?
Gossiping with Pooja ma'am and Shili ma'am.
Pooja ma'am making us dance solo because we were not practiced. That must be interesting. Okay, so the last question is not really a question, it's kind of an activity. Would you mind teaching me a small step from a choreography?
It goes like Zoom barabar, zoom barabar, zoom barabar.
Hi man, I'm Jara and today I'm here to ask you a few questions about your club. What feeling do you hope to evoke in the audience?
With our music performance, we hope to evoke patriotism, love for music and foster the Indian culture.
मैम आपके क्लब का सबसे मुश्किल पार्ट कौन सा था?
मुश्किल कोई चीज़ नहीं होती बेटा, सबको सीखना पड़ता है. जब बच्चे सीखते हैं इनिशियली थोड़ा मुश्किल लगती है, जब सीखने लगते हैं तो इजी हो जाती है.
Moving towards the clubs of our future, we have the Artificial Intelligence and the Global Galaxy Club. This is where we teach our machines to think, and yet we still can't get silly to do our homework. Enough with a dilemma, on to the Global Galaxy and AI Club, where they will be building projects like zodiac belts and models on a 3D printer. Handing it over to our dynamic duo, Arav Agrawal and Kriya Vadwana.
I am Arav Agrawal from the VGC Club. Today we are diving into the world of artificial intelligence with the students of AI Club who've been coding, building and even making machines think. So I'm gonna ask you a few questions. Could you please introduce yourself?
My name is Shivansh.
My name is Hitarth.
So the first question we have is, how will your project be beneficial in the future?
It will enhance the AI interaction with the students and employees working in the offices and the classrooms.
Our quadruped is good for other planets such as Mars, as wheels cannot grip on steep surfaces, but quadruped can easily do that.
So that's really advantageous. So it was fun having your insights. Thank you.
Hello, can you introduce yourself and your project?
Hi, my name is Samiksha Gautam. I'm from the Astronomy Club and our project is on Chandrayaan 3. We have created a model of the rocket Chandrayaan, model of the lander and a model of the rover. The rover roams around on the surface, the lander will land and the rocket flies for 5 seconds.
That is great. I have another question for you. What values do you think the audience would learn from your club?
After visiting our club, I'm pretty sure the audience would like to know more about the stars, the space and the rockets. They would learn to respect the things that Mother Nature has given to us.
That is true. Thank you so much.
आपका अगला सवाल 7 करोड़ के लिए. What's harder, trigonometry or surviving parent-teacher meetings without sweating like a contestant on KBC?
Passing over the spotlight to Kalash Iyer.
नमस्कार देवियों और सज्जन, कैसे हैं आप लोग?
हम तो ठीक है, पर आप इन कपड़ों में?
अरे मैं गोवा से आया हूँ. नमस्कार देवियों और सज्जनों, मैं अमिताभ बच्चन इस वक्त अग्रिया और वेनिशा के सामने खड़ा हूँ. अब मैं आपसे कुछ सवाल पूछूंगा. What was the most interesting part of your club?
We were learning really new things, like we are learning about our country and what is happening around us, sports, cultural events, current affairs, etc. etc.
आप कैसा महसूस कर रही थी जब आप क्लब की तैयारी कर रही थी?
पहले मैं बहुत नर्वस थी, बट जीके क्लब में टीचर्स ने इतना अच्छा गाइड किया कि अभी सब बहुत मज़ा आती है सब करने में. हमें पूरी दुनिया की इतनी नॉलेज मिल रही है जो आपको कहीं और नहीं मिल सकती.
थैंक यू सो मच लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, हमारे साथ बने रहने के लिए नमस्कार.
Moving on to our reporters, Neil and Nidhi Lalchandani, who will be interviewing a respected trustee,
Prachi ma'am, our expert nutritionist whose guidance has helped our well-being and growth.
Hello everyone. Today we have Prachi ma'am with us. Hello Prachi ma'am. Since you've done all your studies from abroad, could you please tell us your views on how does AGS create a global learning experience for its students?
So something I found very interesting and similar is the AI lab, where students are developing a software similar to ChatGPT for the fellow students. And second would be the robotic club, where they are 3D printing brain and heart and also developing IoT lab.
Right, that's wonderful. And also, secondly, ma'am, how does these activities and clubs shape the students' future?
So I've noticed that all the projects they've been working on is similar or aligns to the SDG club. The VGC club is creating short clips, and science projects have been made on topics like Terranova-based cooling and hydro-harvester, which are also aligning with their goals.
Right. So thank you, Prachi ma'am. Thank you everyone. This is Nidhi signing off.
Now it's time for our home club VGC. Here we have everything from photography to editing, from designing to making short films and acting.
Covering this section, we have our family member Devanshi.
Here we have Kalash from the VGC club. Kalash, I'm going to be asking you some questions today. First of all, this year you got to direct the short films. How was your experience?
To be honest, it was really tough to handle a bunch of actors, to guide them in every single scene, how they have to act, what they have to express, but it was fun at the same time.
Okay. And secondly, how was your experience in being a part of the VGC club, and what are some memories that will stay with you forever?
All of this, directing a film, acting, comedy, all of this has been a passion for me for a long time. So of course it's been a really good experience, and the memories if you're talking about, then I got more and more friends in VGC, and then getting an opportunity to direct the short films in acting sir Amitabh Bachchan, so it's a great memory.
Thank you, Kalash. Signing off.
Well, that's it from AGS News today. This is Dhriti Jain
and Vanisha Goswami signing off.